If you're thinking about buying LearnWorlds, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before making a decision. Stick around to the end of this video because I'll not only walk you through its features, but also compare it to its competitors to help you make an informed choice. First up, LearnWorlds offers an incredibly user-friendly platform for creating and selling online courses. But one thing that sets it apart from competitors like Teachable and Thinkific is its course player. The experience it provides for learners is second to none with interactive features, quizzes, and customizable design, all designed to make learning engaging. Many competitors have basic course players, but LearnWorlds takes it a step further by allowing you to add multimedia, interactive elements, and even certificates, all in one package. But there's a catch. If you're not looking to invest time in learning the software, it may take you a little while to get comfortable with everything it offers. Next thing you need to know is its extensive branding options. Unlike other platforms, LearnWorlds provides full control over your course branding, allowing you to create a completely white-labeled experience. This means you can have your own domain, custom logos, and a seamless integration with your existing website, something that platforms like Teachable may not offer to the same degree. So if your brand is important to you, this could be a big win. The third thing that really sets LearnWorlds apart is its robust built-in sales and marketing tools. With the integration of affiliate marketing, email marketing, and even automations, it's far more than just an online course platform. For creators who want to scale, it offers advanced features like upsells, bundles, and discounts. In comparison, platforms like Thinkific and Kajabi also have marketing tools, but they often require third-party integrations or paid add-ons to get the same functionality. If marketing is something you're keen to handle within the platform itself, LearnWorlds shines. The fourth thing you should consider is its scalability. If you're planning to grow your course business significantly, LearnWorlds can handle that growth with its range of plans. It's designed to grow with you, so whether you're just getting started or running a full-scale e-learning business, the platform can meet your needs. Competitors like Teachable and Thinkific have similar scalability, but LearnWorlds allows for more flexibility in pricing, which could be ideal if you have varied needs across different stages of growth. Next, let's talk about the learning experience. LearnWorlds offers a wide variety of interactive elements such as gamification, social features, and detailed analytics. This is something competitors sometimes fall short of. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific have their strengths, but tend to offer a more basic learning experience. LearnWorlds excels when it comes to making your course not only educational but engaging, something that's essential in today's competitive e-learning space. The sixth thing to consider is the pricing. LearnWorlds is competitively priced with a range of plans to suit both beginners and advanced users. But here's where you'll want to pay attention. While some of its competitors, like Teachable, have cheaper entry-level options, you'll find that LearnWorlds offers more value in the features it includes, especially for advanced creators. Thinkific, for example, might seem cheaper at first glance, but LearnWorlds offers a higher tier experience in terms of customization and added features, especially in the higher priced plans. And the seventh thing you should know is its customer support. While most platforms offer decent support, LearnWorlds goes the extra mile with 24/7 support, live chat, and a thorough knowledge base. Whether you're troubleshooting a technical issue or looking to improve your strategy, you can expect fast and reliable help. Compare this to other platforms, and you'll see that LearnWorlds customer support is one of its most praised aspects, especially when compared to the limited support some competitors offer at lower price points. So if you're looking to dive into the world of online course creation, LearnWorlds gives you a powerful, flexible, and feature-packed platform that can help you succeed. But before you decide, make sure to click the first link in the description below to try it out for free and take advantage of some exclusive benefits.